Hello, this is Dr. Amrita Chakravarti and I'm a hematologist at Max Hospital Shalimar Bagh. I see all kinds of blood disorders, cancerous and non-cancerous blood disorders, including bleeding and clotting disorders as well.
Coming to the risk factors. Now, blood cancer, I will say, does not have any specific risk factors per se. However, there are certain types of blood disorders or blood cancers also, which depends on the age of the patient. Most of the blood cancers occur at an older age, like acute myeloid leukemias. However, some kind of blood cancers also occur in a younger age group, like ALL. Also, there are some cancers which have a predisposition for a bimodal age group, by which I mean one age group will be teenage and young adults, and then again in the older age group. So age is one risk factor. Again, males are at a slightly higher risk of developing blood cancers compared to females. If there is a family history of blood cancer, anybody in the family having any kind of blood disorders, those people will be at a higher risk. If somebody has been exposed to any kind of chemotherapy or radiotherapy in the past, maybe for some other disease. If somebody has been exposed to any kind of chemicals in the past, like benzene. So these are some of the risk factors. Along with that, if there is any particular genetic predisposition to developing cancers in the family, if somebody has a family history of cancers. So these are some of the common risk factors to blood cancer.